In today's tutorial, we are gonna deep dive into one amazing free AI tool which is called pixverse.ai. It's going to be a step-by-step tutorial. Make sure you don't miss any step. And for now, let's begin with the tutorial. Go to pixverse.ai. The link will be given in the description and sign up with your Gmail or email account. After signing up, you will be led to this dashboard. If you come a little downwards, you can find different videos which has been generated. You can also see their prompts and we can reuse the prompts. You can access this software in web and you can also access it via Discord. So I'm going to show you both the options. Part 1, we are going to show how you can access by web. So for that, go to get started with web version. Here, this is the dashboard where you have so many creations already available. Now, first thing is how to create video from a video. Let's suppose I like this video, right? We can go to go create option. We are going to go create option so that it has taken the entire script by default. Okay. Now, if I just keep this toggle on, that way it will make two versions of our video. Now here I will take realistic style 9:16. Everything is selected since we have created from an existing video. Okay, even they have taken the seed also. Seed is responsible for giving the similar kind of effect in your upcoming videos. Now we will not do any other tweaking here and we will completely go for a creation. So once the video is generated, you can see that you can get those videos in my videos option. So this is the final result from this video. Next is, if you like any of these ready to use videos, if you can take inspiration, you can also use these videos. How? If suppose I want to use this video, I can click, these are public videos, okay? I can click here. Now few things which I can do. First is I can upscale it, okay? Okay, now if I want exactly the same video, then I can go directly to this download button in order to download. Now let us go to the next part where we are going to create a video from a text. For creating a video, you can go to this create button, give my text prompt, okay? You can give some negative prompts as well if you want. Blurry background. Now if I keep this toggle on, there will be two clips. I'm taking wide screen aspect ratio. Okay. And here, if you like any particular seed, then you can just copy that seed as well to get that kind of a feel. Okay. I have given this seed and then I will go to create option. And this is the final result from the previous prompt. Now, if you want to upscale, once again, you can go to this upscale button. If you want to download, you can download it. You can change the speed as well, and you can download from here. So that's pretty much about text to video prompt. And now we will go to create a video out of an image. So image to video. So now for image to video, I'll have to upload the image. So I'll go to upload section and let me upload one image. This one I have downloaded from LEONARDO AI. So it's uploading. Now additionally, you can give some prompts as well. Seed, I will not do much changes in the seed part. Strength, I can keep little more so that it gives more emphasis on the prompt. Okay. And then quality should be HD quality. And let's see by creating how does it appear. But now here when you are uploading an image, you don't have an option to change the aspect ratio. It will generate the video of the same aspect ratio which your image has, right? So you can see it is getting generated. Let us wait for a while. And after this is the final result. Now let me try with some other style. So I'll just upload another cartoon style video image, which is this one. So I'll give it here. I will keep 55 around as strength and I will simply generate in HD quality. And after all this, these are the few results from image to video. Now let us go to the second part where we are going to create amazing videos from Discord, because in Discord we have better options and more options as far as pixverse Discord account is concerned. So I'll go to Discord community. This will ask me the name. To display the name, I'll give VAGPE Media. That's the name of my channel, and continue. So it will continue in Discord. So once you accept the invitation to Discord, you will land to this page, right, of pixverse. You'll have to choose pixverse from left hand side, and that way you will get into their server. Now you will have to get into any of these rooms. Now first and second rooms are for text to video generation. Anim and meme I will show later, and the last one is again 3D animation. Okay, so use these two first. Let me get into one of the rooms. Once you follow them, then this box will start getting activated. Now come here and type /create option. So come here and give your prompt. So I have given a prompt. And now in the next block, you'll have to come to style. You have different types of style. I am taking realistic style. Now I have 3 more other options. One is negative prompt. I'll come here and I'll give one negative prompt. Negative prompt is something which you don't want in your video. Next, again, if I go to these 2 more options, I get these 2. One is aspect ratio. I'll have to go to 16:9 aspect ratio. Okay, I will not give any character reference here. I will show it in the next generation. Now, once all these things are done, simply enter, and then your generation will be started. You'll have to come a little downwards in order to find it. Here you will get one option called just jump to present. Then you can see your entire prompt. Okay, and in this box, it's getting generated. Now, these are 4 versions which they have created. Now this is the first software which gives this mid-journey kind of setup, or generates 4 video out of 1 prompt, which is available in pixverse Discord account. Now if I want to upscale any one of them, I can go here and upscale. Suppose I want to upscale this first one. Let me just open this. See, from here you can see how is it looking. Next one is this one. I really love this one. It's very cute. This is third one. So it is. This is also very sweet. This is hardly moving. Just the ambience is moving. So I like this and this one. So I will upscale U2 and U3. If you want a particular videos, other 4 versions. Let's suppose I want these videos 4 version. Okay. Then what will I do? I will come here and I will do B4. That will generate 4 more versions. Now you can change it. Tiny creatures. Okay, if you want to change any further, you can change and then submit it. And that will generate other 4 videos. See, here in this brown box, I find these 3. See, one video version 3 has already been upscaled. You can see this is much more clear. So I will just download it. Voila, my videos are upscaled. So I can download the upscaled videos from the top right hand side corner, this download button. And this one, it is a new version. Okay. Let us move forward to the next part where we are going to create some animated videos or anime style videos. So again, once again, I'll give /create. Okay. I'll go to this create option, and here I'll have to give a prompt. A cute white cat astronaut is exploring space. Now I'll go to this style option. I'll give anime style. I will take the negative prompt. I'll give a couple of negative prompts here. Enter. Now let us see how this video turns out to be. Let's move forward to the next prompt. I'll give /create. But this time I will be creating one single video. Now I will just give a prompt here. So I have given the prompt. Now I'll go to this style option. I will take realistic style. Okay. Now go to 3 more options. If you have any seat number, you can paste that. Let me get a seat number from here. I'm taking this seat number just for an example. Aspect ratio, I'll take 16:9. Character. Now what is character? If you go to character, they will show you different characters from here. EULA character. This is the EULA's character. Like this, you can check any of these characters and then enter. And just check how is it going to turn out to be. Now let us move forward to give some more prompts. Now let us join some other room. Let's suppose I'm joining this anime room. Next part, we are going to use /animate style, where I'm going to upload an image and I'm going to animate that. So go to this image button and select the image which you want to animate, and I will upload my image. Okay. Now I will go to rest of the options. Motion. You can give anything between 1 to 10. By default is 5, so I will give 6. Prompt. You can give a prompt here. You can give high quality as 1, or you might not give any high quality at all. Okay, so I will just delete this. So right here I will enter, and let's see how my video turns out to be. You can just download it from top right hand side corner here. Okay. Now let us go to another room where you can create meme. Give /meme. So you will get this meme face option. Go to this meme face option. Here basically you can upload any face. So I am uploading one of my faces and open it. Say 9:16 aspect ratio and enter. And let's see how this turns out to be. And if you want to know different models, different AI tools, please do visit www.vagpemedia.in, where we have created a comprehensive course for you all, which is getting an early bird offer as well at this moment. So guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, and please consider to give me a like. One small request, please do share my content with your friends and family so that I can thrive in every single day to create new videos like this for you all. If you are a struggling YouTuber, make sure you watch the video which is coming up next.
3 reasons why new YouTubers fail. First is, they only focus on creating content and they never invest time in learning how to do it in the right way. Second is, they don't know how exactly the videos go viral. They don't know how to pick up the right video topic which can help them to get more views as well. Third is, they are not aware of the features that are available in YouTube which can help them to get more views, subscribers as well. If you want to scale your channel 5x faster and earn more than 50,000 rupees per month by creating videos based on your passion, skill or talent, then YouTube Masterclass is for you. Just click on the link below and register for 90-minute free YouTube Masterclass. Hi, I'm Sriram Benur, content creator of channel A2C, which has more than 1 million plus subscribers. And right now I have been coaching more than 2,000 plus students from across multiple countries. Rated 4.9 on Trustpilot. In the 90-minute YouTube Masterclass, you're going to learn why you should consider YouTube, how exactly YouTube works, what are the skills that are needed to be a YouTuber, 3 powerful strategies which can help you to get more views, more subscribers, more video engagement, more click-through rate, and which can help you to earn more money as well. So just click on the link below and register for 90-minute free YouTube Masterclass. See you live.
So I, being his affiliate, I have already given the link in the description for his masterclass. Please do join in his masterclass and enrich your knowledge about being a YouTuber. If you are a new visitor to my channel, please consider to click the subscription button below and press the bell notification next to it. Please do like, share my content with others so that I can thrive every single day for creating better content for you all. Thank you so very much for staying here with me. I'll come back with some fun tutorial next week. Till then, stay safe and stay legendary.